let's go to Dave, and he can tell us what he did quickly on his recovery project, and then we will get a few of the gallery items in. And Mr. Soleil is already in, so we want to get him on for his demo. So, all right, Dave, you got the floor.
Well, I have this much left. It's the top half of the hollow form.
Oops.
And
Nice edge work.
yeah, I squared the end off and made a lid for it and turned it into a box. I'm still trying to figure out something to do with this. I'll figure out something.
Oh, yeah.
Dave posted
A
his
birdhouse top, birdhouse top.
So,
Yeah, there you
so
go.
Dave posted his final box that's in it, and that went off to an art gallery under the recovery project of the week on
Yes.
our Facebook page. So if you want to see it, you can go there and see it, folks.
Yeah, I used maple on the top. This is cherry, but I used maple on the top and then I put a little ebony knob on it. It's cute.
Yeah, it turned out really well. He did a good job on it. Sure did.